Good Saturday, everyone. I hope everybody's ready for a good weekend. We're going to be dodging some showers and thunderstorms, it looks like. Our weather map for today shows that the bulk of the most active weather is to our west, as you'll see West Tennessee, all the way back through Arkansas, Oklahoma, into eastern Colorado, all highlighted for strong to severe thunderstorms and flash flooding. They're going to be very weather aware in those areas today. The rest of us will just be dodging some scattered showers and thunderstorms that could always be on the strong side this time of the year. Look at our 5-day forecast, 50% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms for our Saturday. Those mainly move in this afternoon and evening, increasing to 70% tonight, 70% on Sunday, before tapering off to 50% chance of Sunday night. And that 50% Sunday night is mostly before midnight. So the system has kind of sped up, so we can now take rain chances off of Monday. If it speeds up any more, we can take all the rain chances off of Sunday night. If you have outdoor plans for this weekend, just keep an eye to the sky and an eye on the radar. Make sure you have easy access to substantial shelter just in case a strong storm moves in or even lightning. If you're camping out this weekend, just make sure that you're keeping an eye on that radar because you don't want to be caught off guard by a stronger thunderstorm, especially while you're out camping. Maybe not anything to cancel outdoor plans over this weekend, but you're going to need to be weather aware if you are out and about. On Wednesday, we see, so Monday and Tuesday, humidity levels are a little bit lower, but on Wednesday, the humidity increases enough to where we have to start talking about isolated showers and thunderstorms. Indications are that we're going to enter a very active pattern from Wednesday night on through next weekend, where we'll be back in that pattern where we're watching things drop out of Kentucky on us. Those different disturbances and complexes of thunderstorms that sometimes they get us, sometimes they don't. The first of those may come through Wednesday night. That's why we have a 30% chance on Wednesday night. That could change. So I'll keep a close eye on that part of the forecast. Those are very trivial forecasts when you're watching those disturbances drop down from the north. We'll monitor that very closely. On this day, 1954, the temperature hit 90 degrees in Nashville for the 31st day in a row. Very hot summer 1954 was. 1975, 3 people killed under a tree in Mayo, Florida. They had been stringing tobacco. A tree was struck by lightning and they were under the tin shed nearby. So tin shed is not a substantial shelter. That's why we say, make sure you get into a good shelter that's not surrounded by metal. And so to seek shelter from those thunderstorms. If you hear thunder, you're close enough to be struck by lightning. But sometimes you need to get into shelter when you even see dark clouds. You may be that first lightning strike. You may not get a warning shot of thunder. We're starting to wonder if that's not what some of these lightning deaths are. They didn't have a chance to hear thunder. They were the first strike. So if you even see dark clouds gathering, go ahead and start moving people closer to shelter. 1987, thunderstorms produced 25 minutes of ping pong ball-sized hail at Drummond, Oklahoma. Can you imagine nearly half an hour of hail the size of ping pong balls? And a sad day, July 8, 2011, the launch of Space Shuttle Atlantis STS-135, which means that was the 135th launch of the space shuttles. It was the final launch of the Space Shuttle program. Once the shuttle once they had built the International Space Station, the Space Shuttle program was then retired. It was deemed too expensive and too risky. It was a high-risk experimental space exploration vehicle, and which is something many astronauts had known for many years. But it was retired for hopes of better days ahead. So, and we've certainly seen some interesting things come about with NASA since then. You folks have a wonderful Saturday. And don't forget, if you want to be a Meteorologist Mark weather watcher, go to meteorologistmark.com, fill out the form. It's a very simple form, and you can become a Meteorologist Mark weather watcher. We'd love to have you come along. We can pass your reports even on to the National Weather Service. Have a wonderful day. For even more weather information, meteorologistmark.com.